Hey friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we know about USDINR, important levels, targets, and daily basis of news which are affected to the USDINR trade. If you like and interested to subscribe our YouTube channel and connect it to Telegram channel. Congratulations friends, today are intraday trade which are hit and we get profit more than 55%. Congratulations. And here we know about USDINR tomorrow importance levels and targets. Okay, if USDINR open above 72.95, we buy, and the targets are 73 or 73.05. The most probable chance was market can recover from this level. Okay, in against scenario, the USDINR open gap down opening below 72.90, we sell, and the targets are 72.85 and 72.80. Okay, and the levels and targets for intraday, the gap down opening below 72.90, we buy put, and the targets are 72.85 and 72.80. Market can gap up opening above 72.95, we buy, call, and targets are 73 or 73.05. Thank you friends. If you are interested to our USDINR importance levels and targets, please subscribe our YouTube channel and connect it to Telegram channel. Thank you.